dear students, this is a new lesson after our English exam which was held today. So, today we are just going to read and understand this lesson. The name of the lesson is 4.4 Story Time. What do you see? Page number 5353 of your English Balbharti textbooks. This is a story from Mahabharat. Arjun the prince, his brothers and cousins were being trained in archery and warcraft by the great teacher Dronacharya. So now this story has been taken from Mahabharat. Mahabharat is one book which is written by the old people during the ancient time. Ancient time means very long time ago. There were some old people who have written the books called as Mahabharat and Ramayana. So this incident has been taken from the book Mahabharat. So Mahabharat was one story. And in that Mahabharat, who was the prince? Who was the king? Arjun. Arjun was the prince. Okay. So now Arjun and his brothers and his cousins, they were trained by a teacher, and that teacher was Dronacharya. Now what Arjun and his brothers they were learning? Arjun and his brothers they were learning archery and warcraft. See here how they are using the bow and arrow. It is called as archery. Using bow and arrow is called as archery. See here in the picture you all can see clearly that how they are using the bow and arrow. So they were practicing for archery, and warcraft means in olden times there were war. Olden times में war होते थे, लड़ाइयाँ होती थी. So in that war it was very necessary for the prince to learn these things. बहुत ज़रूरी होता था सबको ये जो लड़ाई में जो भी लड़ाई के लिए जो भी चीज़ें लगती थी कि स्वॉर्ड मीन्स तलवार कैसे चलानी है, बो एंड एरो कैसे यूज़ करना है, ये सब उन्हें पहले सीखना पड़ता था. और सीखने के बाद वो लड़ाई करने वो वॉर में जा सकते थे. So same Arjun and his cousins, they were being trained by the teacher. The teacher was Guru Dronacharya. Guru Dronacharya was teaching them archery and warcraft. Once Dronacharya called all his students. He said, I would like to see how you are practicing your archery skills. I will take a test. So Guru Dronacharya, he once said that now you all are my students. Now I want to see that whatever I have taught you, how you are practicing. Are you doing good or you have forgot everything? How we take your exams in the school? Same way Guru Dronacharya also told Prince Arjun and his brothers that today I am going to take your test. I want to see that how you are practicing the archery which I have taught you. So today is your test. So Dronacharya called all the students together. He placed a wooden parrot on a branch of a tree. He said, now all of you get ready with your bow and arrow for the test. Look at the wooden bird on the branch of the tree. You have to hit exactly its eye. So now Guru Dronacharya called all his students together at one place. And he started telling that now look at that tree, that branch of a tree. See here on the branch of a tree you can see that one parrot is hanged. That parrot was of wooden. The parrot was made up of wooden. So Guru Dronacharya is telling that I have hanged the parrot on the branch of a tree. Now what you have to do in the test? You all have to get ready with your bow and arrow. And you can see the eye of the parrot. Yes, you have to hit exactly in the eyes, in the parrot's eyes. Where he have to hit? Where the students have to hit? The students have to hit in the eyes of the parrot. So all the students were ready with their bow and arrow, so that they will get good remarks from the guru, from the teacher. They will get good remarks. All his students were excited. They stood in a line for the test. First came Bhim. He stretched his bow and set his arrow. As he was about to shoot the wooden bird's eye, Dronacharya said, "Wait, Bhim, tell me, what do you see?" All his students were excited. They stood in a line for the test. First came Bhim. He stretched his bow and set his arrow. As he was about to shoot the wooden bird's eye, Dronacharya said, "Wait, Bhim, tell me, what do you see?" So when all the students were excited that yes, today is our test, today we are going to show our teacher that how we are learning archery. So all the students, they were standing in the line. See how they are standing in the line, ready for their test. So first came Bhim. First came Bhim. Now Bhim has stretched his bow and he has set his arrow because he wanted to shoot the eyes of the parrot. He wanted to shoot the eyes of the parrot. So Dronacharya said, "Wait, Bhim, before you are going to shoot the bird's eye, you have to tell me that what you can see in his eyes. What you can see in the eyes of the bird." So Bhim said, "Guruji, I can see the sky, the clouds and the sun." Then Dronacharya said, "Bhim, you will not shoot the wooden bird right now." Now Dronacharya asked that what you can see, Bhim. So Bhim replied whatever he can see. Now Bhim was able to see the sky, the clouds and the sun. So Dronacharya said Bhim that Bhim, you will not shoot the wooden bird eye right now. You wait for some time. Then came Yudhishthir. Dronacharya asked him the same question. "Tell me, what do you see?" Yudhishthir replied, "Guruji, I see the wooden bird, the branches and the tree." Now after Bhim, it was the chance of Yudhishthir. So Yudhishthir was also asked the same question by Dronacharya. Then what did Yudhishthir said? Yudhishthir said that Guruji, I can see the wooden bird, the branches of the tree and yes, also the tree. Then what Dronacharya said? Dronacharya said, "No, you are not ready to shoot yet." What Dronacharya is saying? That no, you are also not ready to shoot the bird's eye. You also wait for some time. All the students were asked the same question and they all told many things they saw around. They told that they could see the sky, the clouds, the sun, the tree, the branch, the wooden bird and their friends too. But Dronacharya was not happy with their answers. So Guruji has asked Bhim and Yudhishthir that what you can see. So same question Guruji asked to the other students also. And what did all other students said? All other students also said that they can see the sky, they can see the clouds, they can see the sun, they can see the tree and they can see the branch. And also they can see the wooden birds and their friends which were standing near them. Now they all are giving correct answers because in the picture also we can see that there is tree, house, friends, bird, tree, branches. This is only there. but Guruji said that this all answers are wrong and I am not happy with your answer. He stopped everyone. Nobody got a chance to shoot the wooden bird. Finally, it was Arjun's turn. Arjun was very good at archery. When he came forward, Dronacharya asked him the same question. Now, Dronacharya was very sad with the answers given by the other students. And because of that, Guru Dronacharya said that no one is going to shoot the wooden bird. Now, in the last, it was whose turn? It was Arjun's turn. And Arjun was the best performer in the archery. So, when Arjun came, Dronacharya asked Arjun the same question that Arjun, what can you see? So what Arjun said? Arjun said that Guruji, I can see only the eye of the wooden bird. What he said? He said, Guruji, I can see only the eye of the wooden bird. Then Dronacharya asked, what else? What other things you can see? Arjun said, I cannot see anything. I can only see the eye of the wooden bird. That is all I can see. So now Arjun was only the one who has given the right answer. Why he was right? Because what he was supposed to shoot? He was supposed to shoot the eye of the parrot. उसे क्या शूट करना था? आइस को शूट करना था. इसीलिए उसने किस पर कॉन्सेंट्रेट किया? सिर्फ आइस पर कॉन्सेंट्रेट किया. और बाकी सब ने आइस तो बोला ही नहीं, क्योंकि शॉट तो आई पे लगाना था, लेकिन आइस तो किसी ने बोला ही नहीं. इसका मतलब सबके शॉट्स रॉन्ग हो गए. सबके शॉट्स कैसे हो गए? रॉन्ग हो गए. दैट्स वाई अर्जुन हैज़ गिवन अ वेरी करेक्ट आंसर. Guru Dronacharya, he became very happy and he said, Arjun, you have given the right answer and you are ready to shoot the bird's eye. So Arjun, he concentrated exactly on the eye of the bird. And what happened? The bird fell down because Arjun's shot was very perfect. Dronacharya patted on Arjun's back and said, focusing on your goal helps to achieve it. So Dronacharya, he said that focus on your goal. And if you have focus on your goal, that time you can achieve anything. Now today was an English paper. And if by mistakenly you will learn Marathi, so will you be able to write the correct answers? No, you will not be able to write the correct answers. Because if it is English paper, you have to learn only about English, not about Marathi, Hindi or EVS. So, what Guru Dronacharya is telling, that you always have to focus on the right thing. आपको हमेशा आपका focus right things के ऊपर रखना है. आपको डिसाइड करना है कि येस यू हैव टू स्टडी, तो आपको सिर्फ स्टडी करना है. स्टडी करते करते आपको खेलने नहीं जाना है. स्टडी करते करते आपको खाना नहीं खाना है. सो स्टडी मीन्स ओनली स्टडी. आपको एक ही जगह पे अच्छे से कॉन्सेंट्रेट करना है. एंड इफ़ यू विल कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन योर गोल, you will be very successful. So students, always keep a goal in your life and always complete your goals. अगर आपने कुछ प्रॉमिस किया है खुद को कि आपको बड़े होकर डॉक्टर बनना है, टीचर बनना है, तो आपको उसके लिए अच्छे से पढ़ाई करनी पड़ेगी, अच्छे से स्टडीज़ करने पड़ेगी, एफर्ट्स लेने पड़ेंगे, तभी आप डॉक्टर बनोगे. सो ऑलवेज कीप focus on your dreams and try to complete your dreams with full concentration on your studies. So students, today we have learnt only the lesson. We will write the notes of this lesson and worksheets after our exams. Okay. So now we will read this lesson. Worksheets we will solve in the next session after our exams.